Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a chroma key or green screen effect in Clipchamp, and let's get right into it. As you can see, I have added a couple of things into my media, and I'll be using this video as an example, and I'll be overlaying this green screen above it. Now, to have this video or this green screen in front of the video that you're editing, you want to add it above it in the timeline. Just like this. If I added it below, as you can see, it goes behind the video, and we don't want that. Firstly, just place it above and make sure the duration is the same for both. And now that you've added that, as you can see, it is completely overlaying the video below, and you just want to click the green screen video in the timeline and then go into effects. From here, you can select one of two. You can select black or white removal, depending on if your background or your chroma key is black or white. But if you want green or red or blue, you click on green screen. As you can see, it has already been removed. All the green has been removed, well, except for the spots, and you can see the background behind it. However, as you can see, even though the background is green, the dinosaurs are green as well. And let's say I want to keep the dinosaurs as much as I can. You want to set your screen threshold to the biggest value possible, since that sort of modifies the tolerance, and it'll be very much less tolerant depending on the hue of the color that you're removing. As I mentioned, if you want, you can remove green, but you can also remove red and blue as well. And for blue, if I want to remove the spots, let me just decrease the screen threshold to a lower value, and as you can see, it removes the spots as well. And yeah, that is pretty much how you add a chroma key. It is as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.